Hello everyone, welcome to English with Carrie and welcome to this video about talking about the past with used to. I'll help you avoid a common misunderstanding and give you some pronunciation secrets as well as the grammar, so stay tuned. We can talk about the past with used to. We do this instead of using the past simple when we are talking about an action, event, or state that happened many times in the past. And we want to highlight that the event was a habit or it was repeated many times. You can see from the diagram that in the past, I used to play tennis 3 times a week. This was a habit that happened repeatedly over a long period of time. And you can also see that the sentence is no longer true. I don't play tennis now. So the past with used to talks about repeated actions or states which happened for a long time, repeated many times, but they are no longer true. We make the past with used to by starting with the subject, then used to, and then the base form of the verb. So from the example, I used to play tennis 3 times a week. We can also make negative sentences to say that something wasn't true. So we do that with the subject, then didn't, then used to, and then the verb. For example, I didn't used to play football. Notice the difference in spelling in the positive sentence and the negative sentence. In the negative sentence, we don't have a D on the end of use. We don't need it because the didn't in the sentence already tells us that we're talking about the past. But be careful. Although they look similar, the past with used to and get used to have different meanings. The example on the screen talks about getting used to something, having to get up at 5 a.m. for my new job. When I suddenly had to start getting up so early, the change was difficult and I was unhappy. Now I've been getting up at 5 a.m. for a little while, so I'm happier. And in the future, I will be even happier still. So I am getting used to these early mornings. That means I am now becoming happy or comfortable with a situation that was difficult at first. Remember too that English speakers don't usually say used to. It's easier and sounds more natural to say used to. Put the stress on the use. So listen. I used to play tennis 3 times a week. What did you used to do when you were younger? Put your answer in the comments. Thanks for joining me for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. And until next time, keep practicing.